after a very long time, I have found this time to make a video with you guys. So today we are going to be making Chana Masala. To make Chana Masala, we will be needing 200 grams of Chana Masala. I have soaked it overnight and also pressure cooked it in a pressure cooker for 4 to 5 whistles. So to make the gravy, we will be needing 2 onions, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, some curry leaves, and then we will be needing 3 small tomatoes. So we will also be needing powdered spices like dry mango powder, garam masala, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, and powder. We are going to prepare the gravy. To do that, we will be pouring some oil in the pan, and with that we are going to add some curry leaves, and along with that we are also going to add some onions. Onions have turned golden brown, so we are going to add the ginger and the garlic. We have sauteed the garlic and the ginger with the onions. So we are going to add the dry spices. First I am going to add some turmeric powder. And then chili powder, and then some coriander powder, and now we are going to add garam masala, dry mango powder, and cumin powder. Now we are going to add some water so that the masala doesn't dry out. Close the vessel with the lid so that all the rawness of the onions and the spices goes off. So we are going to add the tomatoes. The tomatoes and the onions are sauteed well. We are going to turn off the gas and then let it cool for some time, because we are going to grind it in the blender to make a paste. We are going to blend it to make it into a paste. We are in the last step to make the gravy. So we are going to add some oil in the same pan and add some jeera seeds, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, bay leaf, and some chili, and then saute it for a while. Add this paste into the vessel. Chickpeas with the boiled water into the vessel. Close it with the lid and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Add salt as per your taste and then boil it for 5 to 6 minutes. Let's top it off with some coriander leaves, and then your delicious chana masala is ready. Your delicious chana masala is finally ready. Enjoy your meal. For watching my video. If you enjoyed my video, please like, subscribe and share this.